Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another episode of Ed's Island, where everybody eats. On this episode, we are going to make my absolute famous, most requested ramen noodle soup. Now this soup is literally so easy to make and tastes gourmet. You're gonna be using things that are straight out of your pantry and your refrigerator. If you guys didn't already know, I upload every single week. Look out for a video every single week. And don't forget to hit that bell notification button to be notified every Thursday and Sunday that I upload. Let's get started. Now for my ramen noodle soup, of course, you're gonna need the ramen noodles, water, a can opener, sweet corn, some chili paste, soy sauce, cilantro, onion, of course, a pot, and optional, some protein. I personally love these ramen noodles. You can find these at Costco or any Asian store. These are super spicy, so I like spicy noodles. You can totally use any type of cup of noodles or anything like that and then make it spicy with the chili paste sauce. So let's get started. First thing you want to do is put that water to boil so you don't waste any time. Light it up. You can put it on high heat. I'm gonna make a serving just for me, so this is gonna be individual. I love having my soup super watery, so we're gonna add about that much. Close the top, let it boil. Now I'm gonna put all my ingredients to the side. You wanna start chopping up. You're gonna need about 2 onions. I love onions, so it just depends. You could use 1, you could use 2, or you don't even have to use any at all. I love cilantro. Cilantro is literally in every single dish that I ever use. So let's go ahead and start chopping up. I like to put the cilantro in a bundle like this, so it's super easy to chop. Everybody asks me how I live with nails, and if I can make these dishes with these nails, you could too. This is super easy and it literally takes almost no effort and it's so good. So if you ever need like late night, date night, or if you're just really hungry and want to eat something dank, whip this up and thank me later. So I like the cilantro about that thick. And then for my onions, I'm just going to chop them up into circles like so. I'm gonna switch the knife just so this one's better. All right, we are done chopping up, super easy. Now we got lucky, we don't need a can opener because I have nails. There we go. I swear this is one of the most staple ingredients to this soup. It just, whenever you add corn, it's just different. In the future, I'm gonna make a ramen noodle soup straight, like from scratch. This is just super easy. Anything in your pantry will literally work, but we're gonna get extra gourmet in the near future. Now our water is boiling, so we can turn it to medium heat. So I'm gonna open up the ramen noodles, take out the noodle, pop it in, add whatever's in there. You could go ahead and add the actual like broth spices and the veggies. If you have your own broth mixtures, you can do that, but this is what gives the spice. Add the little herb veggie situation. These ones are really tasty. It's my favorite. Go ahead and put that into water, poke it down. And at this point, you don't need to put the lid on again. Let this cook for about like 5 minutes. And while it's cooking, we're gonna add some things inside. Now you can add protein. This is cooked, but if you have like raw meat, you can literally cook it in this broth and it's gonna taste so good. So I'm gonna just put in some protein. This is steak from Taco Tuesday. You could so recycle your food. Reuse, reduce, recycle. Put that in there. I'm gonna drain half of the water because I'm gonna use half of it. I can literally eat this by myself. I love corn so much. Open the corn, add the corn. I like a lot. Now I never read directions, so I literally just pick it up if it feels good, and then 1 more minute. Now right before you pull it off of the fire, you're gonna add the onion only. Looks so good. Turn it off. If this wasn't on camera, I would literally pick up the pot and throw it in my bowl. But we're gonna be a little bit classy. I can't do this anymore. Ain't nobody got time for that. So it's gonna look like this. As you can tell, I love having water over the noodle. If you like it the other way around, just don't add as much water. If your soup isn't spicy or you want to add spice, get this chili paste. It is literally the best. Or sriracha would be another substitute. Since this is already spicy, I'm not gonna use this, but you want to make it spicy, use this. No hot sauce, no, none of that. I'm gonna add soy sauce. Drizzle. And then I'm gonna top it off with my cilantro. Add your chopsticks. I have stainless steel chopsticks because a girl eats a lot of Asian food. Add that in and you are done. You got a gourmet, made at home, cup of noodles, but like 5-star. And that's it. That's how you make Ed style ramen. Make sure to try this recipe out. Leave a comment down below and let me know what you guys think. So good. Thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.